Well, a trip to the dentist turns into a trip to the doctor after a freak accident with a dental drill bit. Jeremy Roth has that in tonight's trending report.
There's a reason plenty of people fear the dentist drill, but it's not exactly for this reason. This is scary on a whole other level. A dental patient ended up as a medical patient in Wisconsin after he accidentally inhaled a 1-inch drill bit during a dental procedure.
Next thing I knew, I was told I swallowed this tool. So I didn't really even feel it going down. All I did was really felt a cough.
Doctors say that cough may have been what sent the metal object so deep into Tom Josie's lung, deep enough where Dr. Abdul Al-Reyes says a normal scope couldn't reach it.
It was really far down on the right lower lobe of the lung.
Instead, the good doctor cleverly used a catheter normally used for lung cancer detection, and the gutsy retrieval seen here in this gross video was a complete success.
I was never so happy in my life when I opened my eyes and I saw him with a smile under that mask shaking a little plastic container that had the tool in it.